So once again, let me repeat the things which I taught you in this chapter and remind you that this is one of the, having less quantity. The very less thing you have to study here compared to the first chapter. In first chapter, so many derivations, definitions, almost all practicals are there only. So here only one practical is there, that is compaction test, either by modified or Proctor, and hardly one or two definitions are there. Then what else is there? Okay, there are factors affecting, and then what is the difference between compaction and consolidation? First, you should know what is compaction. You should know what is consolidation. Then what are the differences between these two, and then what are the factors which affects compaction. And after this, two important laboratory tests. One is standard Proctor test. Another is modified Proctor test, and the difference between these two. Okay, so after this difference between these two, and then what we did is numericals, or numerical भी एक ही type का है. एक problem yesterday I started, so I will do it complete today. एक प्रॉब्लम डिटेल में कर लो, एक ग्राफ बना लो, बाकी का सब सेम रहता. Got it? So you should not feel any, that much difficulty in this chapter. This is one of the smallest chapter, easy for passing. This one, and next also I am starting permeability. That also I will complete within 1 week. So once we complete these two, means we can say that 50% syllabus is over. Out of 6, 3 are over. One big chapter, 2 small chapters. Rest 3 chapters, shear strength, consolidation, and earth pressure, are very lengthy. And from that we will search the things. Okay. So other chapters are very big. This is the smallest one. Okay. So now coming to this question problem. The following results were obtained from a standard compaction test. So this is the water content. This is the mass of soil. See, sometimes instead of mass, directly he will give you bulk density. Directly he will give you dry density. अगर से directly dry density दिया, तो direct graph draw करो. But in this case, what he did is he has given you mass. So first you find density, then you find dry density. The volume of the mold used was 950 ml. Volume is also given. Volume is given, mass is given, means density you can find. Density is equal to mass by volume. Make necessary calculations. And then plot the compaction curve and obtain the maximum dry density and optimum moisture content. Obtain the maximum dry density and optimum water content. Also calculate the voids ratio, the degree of saturation, and the theoretical maximum dry density. So a little bit yesterday I told you, I will continue once again that one with the fresh mind. Please learn this. You do it also. You do it and learn it. If you solve one question perfectly, means in most of the times, almost all, you are going to get the same question with the value changes. Okay. So what we have to do here, our first aim is to draw the compaction curve. So to draw a compaction curve, what are the things needed? To draw the compaction curve, things needed are water content and dry density. Water content is given to you. Now you find corresponding dry density. To find the dry density, first we need bulk density or density. And for that, mass is given, volume is given. So for the first reading, rho is equal to mass by volume. Mass is 1.68 into 1000 because it is converted into grams, divided by volume is in ml or cc, 950. So 1.768 gram per centimeter cube. 1.768 gram per centimeter cube. This is the density for the first reading. This I told you yesterday, just I am repeating. I want dry density for the first reading. Dry density for the first reading is rho D is equal to rho divided by 1 plus omega water content. That is 1.768 divided by 1 plus 0.12. And this equal to 1.578 gram per centimeter cube. Rho D is equal to 1.578 gram per centimeter cube. So rho is there, rho D is there. Now you can do all these for all the readings, and you did yesterday also. Further, what he has asked is what is White's ratio, degree of saturation, and theoretical maximum dry density. I will do it for, or shall we start? Okay, we'll draw the graph. So now rho is this much, rho D is this much. So you calculate for all the readings. You calculate for all the readings, please. So all the readings you calculate rho and rho D. If you did it is okay. If you didn't do, abhi karo jaldi. आप खुद करे तो ही मालूम होता. Please do it. For second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth readings, you do rho. Rho is equal to mass by volume. 2 मिनट का काम है सिर्फ. Mass दिए सो 1.85 to 1000 by 950. Then rho D is equal to rho by 1 plus omega. आप करे सो है, ठीक है, नहीं है तो 2 मिनट टाइम दे रहा हूं, आप करो. Do it. Yes, please do it. What is the density for second reading, third reading, fourth reading, fifth reading, and sixth reading? And what is the dry density? Density कैसा निकालना? Mass by volume. Mass is 1.85 here. 1.85 into 1000 by 950. 1.91 into 1000 by 950. 1.87 into 1000 by 950. ये तो same है. इसके बाद 1.85 to 1000 by 950. Like this you find density, and water content of each reading is known. Therefore, dry density is equal to rho divided by 1 plus omega. Dry density is equal to rho divided by 1 plus omega. Isn't it have drawn? Okay. Assuming that you did all the things, so this is the dry density, density, and this is the dry density. 1.77, 1.95, 2.01, 1.97, 1.97, 1.95. These are the densities, bulk density, and these are the dry densities. Okay. यहाँ तक आया क्या देखो. And one more thing, I have sent the first chapter notes to everybody. I mean, to those who have given me mail ID, and then in the teaching diary, I kept the link there. So compaction notes also, yesterday I sent to those who have given me the ID. I think from your section I sent to Anjali Gapat, Garud Yuvraj, something, whoever it is, Garud Yuvraj. Like this I sent the compaction notes also. So you can share with each other. From the A section, Sunil Bhosle, Bhagwat Shubham, then Snehal Patil. I think I sent to Vaibhavi Kamble also from your section. So please share with each other. And today I will put that link also in the teaching diary. The teaching diary, it will be there. If you have sent me the ID, I have sent the notes. If not, you share with your friends. But compaction notes I sent already. Now I sent both the chapters notes, first chapter notes as well as compaction notes. So now coming to this one. So now water content is there and dry density is also there. 0.1 to 1.68. This point you will get. 0.14, 1.71. For 1.1, 0.16, 1.73. 0.18, it is 1.67. Come down. 0.2, 1.64. And then for 0.22, it is 1.60. So you will get a bell-shaped curve like this. And this curve is called compaction curve. This curve is called compaction curve. And the point here, which is here, the maximum point, you make a horizontal line, straight line, and you make a vertical straight line. So on the horizontal line, whatever point you will get, it is called MDD or maximum dry density. MDD or maximum dry density. Third is if you come here, so it is somewhat water content is there. So what is it is we'll find from the graph only. So it is not shown here. So this is optimum moisture content, and in the every question you have to do the same thing. Find the maximum dry density and then the optimum moisture content. I drawn this graph myself also. You can refer this also. Points I have taken here like this. So this curve you will get, and if you take a maximum point, you put a horizontal line here. So again a vertical line here. So now for this one, MDD is 1.75 gram per cc, whereas OMC is 15.6%. 15.6%. So there should not be any doubt regarding this. The same thing yesterday I told you. Same thing yesterday I told you. You should not have any doubt here. Clear? So shall I go for the further solution? So further solution is, what he has asked is, what is the White's ratio? First we do White's ratio. For the first reading I did here. White's ratio E is equal to G rho W by rho D minus 1. This formula you know very well. E equal to G into rho W by rho D minus 1. So G is 2.70, rho W is 1, rho D is 1.578. Just you have calculated here, 1.578 minus 1. So for the first reading, you will get E as 0.7110. So once again, I will write, he has asked what is the White's ratio. So just it is first chapter's problem. So E is equal to G rho W by rho D minus 1. G is 2.70, rho W is 1, rho D is 1.578 minus 1. And if you simplify, you will get 0.7110. So please, this is the White's ratio for first reading. Now you do the same for second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Karo jaldi, fatafat. Find the White's ratio of all the things. ड्राई डेंसिटी है आपके पास, White's ratio करो, चार्ट बॉक्स में लिखो. 2 minutes time I will give you. Find the yes, please find the White's ratio for each and everything. First I did here, only this formula you use and write E is equal to rho W by rho D minus 1. Rho W is 1 gram per centimeter cube. If you want rho D's, please take down from this one. Rho D for second is 1.71, 1.73, 1.67, 1.64, 1.60. And from this you calculate and put it to show me all the values of White's ratio. यस, नहीं करना है किसको भी, इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, नहीं करते, चुप। तो मैं ऐसे बताते जाता हूँ, ये है, आगे बढ़ो, तुम भी ये है, सुनते जाओ, ऐसे क्लास खत्म। पढ़ना नहीं है किसी को भी। इट क्लियरली इंडिकेट्स E is equal to G rho W by rho D minus 1. G is 2.70, rho W is 1 always. Rho D in this case is 1.578. I calculated, I kept it. Minus 1 E is equal to 0.7110. आ रहा क्या समझ में? आ रहा तो करके बताओ आप, क्यों नहीं कर रहे? You do it for second reading, third reading, fourth reading, fifth reading and sixth reading. 2, 3, 4, fifth reading तक है, जो भी है उतना करके मुझे बताओ। चैट बॉक्स में लिखो आंसर्स। You have to do it. सिर्फ सुने तो नहीं चलता। Yes, please. I want the answer. What are the White's ratio answers? Be fast. Nobody wants to do. Not a single fellow. What are the White's ratio for different readings? What is the problem? This reading also I am giving you. 1.71, 1.73, 1.67, 1.64, 1.60. Take down these. These are the White dry densities of different readings. 1.71 for the first one. For the first one, 1.71, 1.73, second one, then 1.67. Everything I have given you, then what is the problem? Finally, 1.64, 1.70. So do the calculation and write the answers of White's ratio. कोई भी कैलकुलेटर नहीं लिया, कोई बैठा नहीं, चुप सुन रहे भी नहीं, भगवान जाने। What is the use of this one? I will teach, I will live like this only. If you show the interest, more interest I will show. So if you people are casual, same thing I will do. Next is the degree of saturation. Once you get White's ratio, degree of saturation can be got by omega G by E. Omega G by E. So omega is 0.12, G is 2.70 by E, 0.7110. This is yes, that is degree of saturation for first reading. Same thing you have to do for rest of the readings also. So do it please, if you can. So these are the dry density for all the readings. This is the White's ratio for all the readings. This is the White's ratio for all the readings. So 0.71, 0.58, 0.56, 0.62, 0.65, 0.69. So from that you calculate what is degree of saturation. What is degree of saturation? Once you get degree of saturation, finally what he has asked, theoretical maximum dry density. And theoretical maximum dry density, rho D maximum is given by G rho W by 1 plus G omega. That is G is 2.70, rho omega is 1 plus G, again we know 2.7, water content we know. So rho D theoretical maximum dry density when saturation is 100% for the first reading is 2.04. 2.04. So you calculate the same for all the readings. Calculate the same for all the readings. Please do it. 2 minutes time I will give you again. You complete the table. You calculate all the things. Good, please. Again, I am telling you, whenever I am teaching, please be with calculator, paper, and pen. And if I ask you to do something, you have to do it. You have to do it. If you don't do this, you can't understand. Unless and until you won't involve in the process, how can you understand the things? Moreover, this is not offline class, online class. So you too, if you want the same thing that you don't want to understand, sir, then it is different thing. Or, so assuming that you did it, so this is the White's ratio for all the things. This is the degree of saturation for all values, and this is theoretical maximum dry density. Theoretical maximum dry density. अगर तुमको नहीं करना है तो ये कम से कम लिख तो लो आंसर सब. आप घर में एक बार ट्राई करके देखो और एक ग्राफ बनाओ. दिस इज द होमवर्क. आई विल चेक इट. इस प्रॉब्लम का ग्राफ बनाओ. Okay, hoping that you have taken this one. Now I will go for next. So this is the question. This is the question. Next question. So this is from competitive exams. It is given. So the following are the results of a compaction test. Please take down. The following are the results of a compaction test. Water content नीचे दिया, mass ऊपर दिया. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन याद रखो सॉइल का मास नहीं दिया, सिर्फ मास ऑफ मोल्ड भी दिया. Mass of mold plus wet soil is this much. It is in grams. It is in grams. So this is the water content. 10, 12, 14.3, 16.1, 18.2. This much is the water content, and corresponding to this water content, weights are also given. But remember, these weights are with mold. But for calculation, we want only weight of soil. So this is weight of mold. 2925 3095 3150 3125 3070 like this. So now what you have to do is, volume of mold is given 1000, mass of mold is given 1000, specific gravity is given. Find the compaction curve showing the optimum. This is the first part. Air zero line draw करो wide, और degree of saturation or the maximum density. So ये सब बाद में करेंगे. पहले हम we will draw the graph. What we will do? We will draw the graph. To draw the graph, दो चीजें चाहिए आपको. क्या क्या? Water content, dry density. अच्छा, ड्राई डेंसिटी के लिए क्या चाहिए? डेंसिटी चाहिए। डेंसिटी के लिए क्या चाहिए? मास चाहिए। लेकिन यहाँ मास क्या दिया? कंबाइनली विथ मोल्ड दिया, लेकिन मोल्ड का मास भी दिया 1000। तो मास ऑफ सॉइल एक और कॉलम बना लो आप। दिस इज 2925 माइनस 1000, 3095 माइनस 1000, 3150 माइनस 1000, 3125 माइनस 1000, 3079 माइनस 1000. Like this you do. Like this you do. Mass of soil is equal to mass of soil is equal to 2925 minus 1000. So it is 1925. 3095 minus 1000. It is 2095, 2150, 2125, 2170. Like this, you will get the mass of soil. Once you get the mass of soil, then volume of soil is also given mold. It is 1000. Volume means given, mass by volume will give density. So what you do now, first you write, find the density of all the soils and write in the chat box. करो जल्दी फटाफट, मैं नहीं करता, आपको खुद करना है. You have to solve this. Of course, graph आप घर में बनाओ, calculation करके बताओ मेरे को. You find the density of all the soils. Density is equal to mass by volume. Volume is 1000. मास, सबके मास में से 1000 माइनस करो क्योंकि वो मोल्ड का मास है, उसको 1000 से डिवाइड करो, यू विल गेट डेंसिटी. राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. इफ यू डोंट डू मींस आई वोंट टेक द क्लास. यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट एंड राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. अदरवाइज आई विल स्टॉप हियर ओनली द क्लास. डू इट प्लीज. Without calculator also you can do it. Just write in the chat box. No need of calculator also. What are the densities of each reading? What are the density of each reading? Do it please. नहीं, इतना आसान नहीं आता. क्या सुन रहे नहीं आप लोग? What is the density of all the 5 readings? Write in the chat box. गीतांजलि, साक्षी बोड़के, करा, क्षितिजा, प्रियंका, हर्षदा, अंजलि, स्नेहल, धनाश्री, क्षितिजा, वैष्णवी. कोनी करना गलत. या somebody did at least. Okay, Anjali, first is 1.925, right beta? Now second one. Second one, you do density for all the things. Second reading density 3095 minus 1000 divided by 1000. It is 2.095. कैलकुलेटर भी नहीं लगता, डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं आप. ओके बेटा. थर्ड यू डू अदर्स आल्सो. ओनली अंजलि विल गेट द अटेंडेंस एंड मार्क्स. क्लियरली बोल रहा हूं मैं आपको. आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं रहा, आप कैलकुलेशन नहीं करे तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलता. करो जल्दी फटाफट. यस अंजलि, कंप्लीट. 2 मोर आर देयर. सभी लोग डेंसिटी फाइंड आउट करो. या हर्षदा. ओके बेटा, करो जल्दी. डेंसिटी फाइंड आउट करो. डेंसिटी मतलब मास बाय वॉल्यूम. डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. हियर मास इज इक्वल टू 2925 माइनस 1000. माइनस 1000 क्यों? क्योंकि ये मास ऑफ मोल्ड है. आई वांट ओनली मास ऑफ सॉइल. सो 2925 माइनस 1000 that divided by 1000 will give you density. तो सबसे पहले डेंसिटी निकालो. और सभी लोग. ओनली हर्षदा एंड दिस अंजलि आर डूइंग. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? करो जल्दी. व्हाट इज द डेंसिटी? ये बताने को क्या 2 मिनट में सिलेबस होता है. मैं ऐसा रहता बोल के बताया, तो आप खुद करना। और आज टुडे इटसेल्फ, या श्वेताली हैज डिड वेरी गुड बेटा, राइट, like this I want the answer, Shweta. Yes, others also, only 3 girls. What about boys? Boys तो इन्वॉल्वमेंट टोटली नहीं है बी सेक्शन का। आपको मैं नोट्स भेजता हूँ तो को आप आईडी तक नहीं भेजते। ये उदय लाड़े था, वो भी पता नहीं वेयर इज उदय लाड़े। एक ही लड़का थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्ट बता तो वो भी नहीं दिख रहा है। अदर बॉयज प्लीज, you have to, I mean, but you have to involve in the process. Okay, Shwetanjali, after getting all the densities, now find dry density. And remember, whatever the density, suppose if you got 1.925, this is bulk density. Dry density is given by bulk's density divided by 1 plus water content. So 1.925 divided by 1 plus 0.1. So from this you will get rho D like this. So please calculate dry density of all the 5 readings and put in the chat box. Now calculate dry density of all the readings and put in the chat box. Yeah, somebody did it here. Very good, Amol. Very good, beta. Like this. So this is right, Amol. This is the density. Now you calculate dry density. Density तो है आपके पास. Density divided by 1 plus water content. Water content percentage में है, उसको decimal में ले लो. 0.1, 0.12, 0.143 like this. Get the dry density now for all the readings. Dry density for all the readings. Yes, dry density answers. Amol, Shwetali and Gapat, Deshmukh, you can do it. जब आपको डेंसिटी आया, समझ में आना नहीं आपको, जिसको नहीं करना है जाने तो छोड़ो, मुझे क्या करना है. ड्राई डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू डेंसिटी डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस वाटर कंटेंट. वाटर कंटेंट एक परसेंटेज में दिया, इसे कन्वर्ट करो 0.1, 0.12, 0.143. या वेरी गुड अंजलि, करो बाकी के सब लोग करो. You find the water content तो दिया हुआ है, ड्राई डेंसिटी निकालो और इसके बाद ब्रेक ले लो 2 मिनट का. अगेन वी विल ज्वाइन. और आज ये चैप्टर खत्म कर रहा हूं मैं. What is this, Gitanjali? 0.175? No, उतना नहीं आता बेटा, 1.75 आता है गीतांजलि.